Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is general knowledge. Let's get to it. Question 1. In phonetics, the J in juice is an example of what kind of sound? Is it A. plosive, B. nasal, C. affricative, or D. approximate? The answer is C. affricative.
The J in juice is an affricate, a fascinating sound that begins as a stop and releases as a fricative. Imagine it as the linguistic equivalent of popping bubble wrap, starting with pressure and ending with a satisfying release. It's like two sounds for the price of one.
Question 2. What word is used in the NATO Phonetic Alphabet for the letter P? Is it A. peeler, B. peer, C. papa, or D. pear? The answer is C. papa.
In the NATO Phonetic Alphabet, papa represents the letter P. This choice is not just random, it reflects a universal need for clarity in communication. Interestingly, papa also means father in many languages, adding a familial touch to military and aviation communications worldwide.
Question 3. What is the term for two words that are pronounced the same but have different meanings? Is it A. antonyms, B. homophonic pairs, C. synonyms, or D. doublets? The answer is B. homophonic pairs.
Homophonic pairs, like flower and flower, add a playful twist to language. These word duos can create amusing misunderstandings or clever puns. Shakespeare often used them for comedic effect, showcasing their timeless appeal. In English, they highlight the richness and complexity of pronunciation and meaning in our everyday conversations.
Question 4. What do the opposite sides of a standard dice always total? Is it A. 8, B. 7, C. 12, or D. 6? The answer is B. 7.
In the world of dice, there's a hidden harmony. The opposite sides of a standard six-sided die always add up to 7. This clever design dates back to ancient times, ensuring fairness in games and adding a touch of mathematical magic to every roll. It's symmetry in action.
As we close the book on today's general knowledge quiz, remember, wisdom is knowing a tomato is a fruit, genius is not putting it in a fruit salad. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.